wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here with, okay, well technically like one really new and one not so new, but it's new to me, products from Fenty. So if you guys want to see what they look like on, then let's go. So the first one is their Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Thick Mint. I've gotten a lot of requests for a updated video on this, and I know I said I was going to do it. I just for some reason forgot to keep buying it. I've been in Sephora a couple times since it launched, and mind you, like online stuff like that, I don't know why, I just forgot to keep getting it. But if you guys did not know, Fenty did extend their bronzer range. You know, they released bronzers like a year ago. I know the video was like a January-ish type launch. If not a year ago, then like 2 years ago, 2019. And the shades were the deeper shades. People said they wanted more options, so they did finally extend it. I don't know how many they added to the launch, but a lot of people said to pick up this one, which I think is now the deepest shade that they offer. This is what it looks like. So I haven't contoured or bronzed because I didn't know if it was going to be one of those. It's probably better off as a contour shade on my skin tone, or it's warm enough where I can use it as a bronzer. So if I pick some up, that is what the shade looks like. Just trying to lay that. Yeah, we're gonna use that as a bronzer because you see the warmth that it has to it. Is this the darkest shade now though? Because I feel like I used the shade Mocha Mommy. There was a shade after Mocha Mommy that when it first launched, I can't remember what it's called. I feel like this can't be. Maybe it's just the newest shade since then. I'm gonna have to go back and look. But if you want a comparison on how this shade runs warmth-wise, as far as the e.l.f. putty bronzer I just did a video on, this one is yeah, that's that one. So so e.l.f. is deeper, but they're both on the warm side compared to if you saw the video I did, the other shade that I got from e.l.f., it's a lot cooler, so I use that one as a contour shade. I don't know where Mocha Mommy is, or else I would pull it out to see, but I think I'm just gonna continue to use that as a bronzer from Fenty because I feel like that's deeper than this one, which is, I mean, I'm assuming people wanted to know what the shade would look like compared to my skin tone, but I'm just like, I feel like I've seen deeper from the Fenty bronzers. But you know, obviously today I'm gonna use Thick Mint as a bronzer shade. Now for the next launch, which, not gonna lie, is hopefully a little more exciting. They have a new Gloss Bomb shade. This is Hot Cherry 01. Hoping it has, you know, that reddish tone to it on the lips. So this is what it looks like. Look at it. Look at the color. You know, compared to a shade like this, which is Hot Chocolate. Actually, no. Is this supposed to be one of the Gloss Bombs? You know, they came out with that, what are those called? What are those called? I'll have it pop up here on the screen. I can't remember. But let's see what it looks like on. Is this? Wait a minute. Universal. Y'all, this is a whole lip puffer. I was sitting there like, why am I feeling tingliness in my lips? But yeah, it says Luminizer and Plumper on the bottom of this one compared to the other shades where it just says Universal Lip Luminizer. Yeah, I don't know if she's actually plumping. Like, y'all have to let me know if you feel like my
lips look any bigger than they did 5 minutes ago. But you know, as far as feeling something, yeah, you definitely gonna feel it. I definitely feel it. It's not, you know, like that. I don't think I've ever met a lip plumper that was so unbearable. I could actually, that Too Faced lip injection. But even that, like, it's tolerable. So this is tolerable, you know. Not like I feel like I need to take it off, but you gonna feel it, is what I'm saying. And those are the only two newer things I had to try for this video. Thoughts on the bronzer. Nothing's changed, like, formula-wise. Still applies the same way. It's just the shade that, you know, people wanted to see with this one, which I would think is a little better suited for, you know, my higher up 400s, you know, 400, 410, 420, stuff like that. Just because, like, this is what the shade looks like, and it's giving, you know, lighter than my foundation, if not like my foundation shade. So as a bronzer, it's not doing that much for me. I would definitely stick with Mocha Mami if you use me as a shade reference, which Mocha Mami is also still has that, you know, warm-ish undertone to it. So thick mint, I want to keep saying thin mint. Yeah, like I said, you know, my higher up 400s. The Lip Plumper Lip Balm Luminizer Gloss. First of all, the color, hello. And that's like straight out the tube. Mind you, I just had a lip liner on. Like, this is a color that I have to usually mix other lip glosses and lip products to get. This is straight out of the tube, and it's still a gloss. Pigmented gloss, okay, ooh. The color itself just has me sold on this one. The plumping, like I said, I feel like, you know, when it's the right type of gloss and a plumper, it'll make your lips look juicier. So in your mind, it might also look bigger to you, but I can't tell if this is actually doing any plumping for my lips. I don't feel the tingling sensation anymore. That goes away pretty quickly. But, you know, at this point, it's giving me, you know, the gloss bomb that I'm used to wearing. So I really don't see that much of a difference between the two, other than the, of course, the color of this one and the tingling sensation with this one. But if you like the color of this one, you see it on stuff like that. If you were worried about, you know, the plumping, if you can't handle lip plumpers, you know, like I'm saying, it's been like 5 minutes later, I don't really feel any sensations anymore. But the product works the same way as the other ones, if you were, you know, if that was something that you were considering before picking it up. So the plumper is the winner in this because the color, hello. Okay, so that is it on these two products. If you were, you know, hoping to hear some of my thoughts on those two, I hope this has helped. If you wanted to check them out, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.